Welcome to our playing program.
What's your favourite way to play? That's right! That's right!
Describe what you can see happening in the room. Children playing games!
That's fun.
Mummy, look at the TV! Mummy!
Dancing, yeah, yeah. Everybody dance now. Do. Do you have any interests other than singing and dancing? That was really funny.
Dance with my hands.
Oh no, don't touch that. No, don't touch it. Come here.
Just before we start the movie, be on the lookout for anyone wearing a pigeon mask, as you will win a prize if you count all of them at the end of the film. Goodbye and enjoy the movie.
Pigeon Man, we are the Pigeon Man.
Where's Pigeon Man? We need the Pigeon Man who's scheduled for an interview today.
It is I, Crabman.
Your mum. Bite off his arm. Bite off his. Wait, we're gonna make some sound effects, okay?
Pigeon Man has officially been eliminated.
Attacking me.
Oh no, he's not. No, he's not. Pigeon Man's back. He's back. You are believed to be the Pigeon Man. What is your opinion on this?
I'm not the Pigeon Man.
I need some proof. Are you really the Pigeon Man or are you not the Pigeon Man? Give me some proof.
Somebody put the Pigeon Man mask on my head.
Oh, who do you think that was?
Pigeon Man.
Who are you? My name is Princess Human. I am Alien. My name's Evie. Meow. Hello, people on Earth. This is Camilla's movie, and she's going to be performing in 5, 2, 1. There she is. Hi. She'll be going off to Florida. Let's see what she has to say. Yeah. She looks like she's having fun. Let's see where she goes next. Guess what? Where I'm going on my holiday? I'm going to Ibiza. So I'm going to Ibiza, yeah.
There's a problem.
What?
You have to go back home.
Why?
Your mum, she's poorly.
It's okay, don't worry.
Life the space stuff.
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go! We're going traveling to outer space. So bye! I am an alien from Mars. Come to Mars and join us.
There was a time I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to go. My only friend was the man in the moon. Even sometimes we'd go away.
Space Channel. Hello.
Once upon a time, in Wrecsam, Wales, there was a monster!
At the other side of town, there was a samurai that liked to kill monsters.
It was a mouse.
Then the mouse monster got eaten by a pizza.
The pizza grew giant, and then another monster ate the pizza.
When the other monster ordered the pizza, there was like 100 monsters in the town.
Then the superhero came down and destroyed the monsters.
The superhero saved the day, but out of nowhere, another monster appeared.
The other monster tried to kill the other monster.
And then out of nowhere, the superhero finds this giant crystal, and the crystal explodes.
And the superhero's powers is combined to the pieces. The crystal comes back together, and then
It went into the superhero's body to power up the new superpower.
And then a giant chimpanzee came and destroyed the superhero.
But what the chimpanzee didn't know is that the crystal had special magic and kept the superhero alive.
The superhero saved the two monsters fighting.
But what the superhero didn't know is when they destroyed the monster, they teleported them to Toilet Land.
But then he teleported because of the crystal, and the crystal exploded but formed back, and then the superhero grabbed it, got new superpowers and destroyed the monster.
And then saves the day. The end.
Let's play hide and seek. Wait, let me close my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I found you. Really? Your camera was peeking out, so I saw you. Mum probably just gave me away. She waved at me. I'll get you later, Mum.
By the day warm on the sand, bet your mind they understand.
Mermaid. Mermaid. Mermaid.
I'm recording you.
Same.
What the?
Yeah, this is how you set it up. This is how you get it to stop. This is how you get it to stay up.
Hi. I love you when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't. I love you when you call me señorita. Everyone, that's green. Everyone, that's green at the same time. 3, 2, 1, green.
Jesus, that scared the life out of me.
Good night, Try. What a shame, guess my love was a snake.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many young poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. Baby shark, baby shark, no baila la go bird paws on a shan, oh paws out a shadow, paws out a shout, oh paws out a shout.
Hello, my name is Bob the Builder. I am Bob the Builder.
Hi, I'm Bob the Builder.
I'm gonna build a race car. I'm gonna build a poo car.
Okay, you actually
They had to build the Hall of Parliament again, and it took over 25 years.
Can he fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, he can. Today we're working on the football pitch.
I'm doing hard work. I'm doing hard work. I'm doing hard work.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be giving you guys a room. I'm not room tour. I'm gonna be room.
Say hi.
Hi.
Do you guys want to go and get dressed with us?
No thanks.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Stacey and my name's Maddie and that's Pink. So guys, we're going to play out with our boyfriend. I'm so excited. Let's go. So let's go and make some love stuff for them.
Wel aeth Jacado yn eistedd ar ben to, hedfan ar ei benna, dwy groes brenna, ho 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 ho. Dau gi bach yn mynd am dro, adeiladu tŷ bach, 1, 2, 3, to ar ei benno, a dyna ni. Sbïo trwy'r ffenast, beth welon ni. Di bod am bach yn gysgu, bach ti. We are going to talk about the weather today. It's rainy with a bit of sunshine.
It is going to be very cold tomorrow, so make sure you bring a winter coat.
This is the BBC News weather report, and it is hailing and raining and very bad weather.
Please don't go outside! First, the weather seems to be we don't know because we aren't outside. No, but seriously, we have no clue.
It is going to be quite sunny, 19 degrees today. So yes, that is the weather.
Hello, people on Earth. Have you ever been to Wrecsam? We are like Wrecsam. I'm coming from Tŷ Pawb in Wrecsam, Wales. What's so brilliant about Wrecsam? We live in Wrecsam and it's one of the best places you could live. I live in Wrecsam, it's fun. Got sheep.
Wrecsam! Wrecsam!
If I live in Australia, come over to Wrecsam.
Cover me in sunshine, cover me in good times. Whoa!
You need shorts, t-shirt, sun hat, sun cream, and sliders. Yeah, I want to go to the beach. Go away.
He lives in a pineapple under the sea. Lost in the sea. You are my sunshine.
What do you call Flynn wearing a lovely bow hat with a mermaid dress? Hello and welcome to Live News.
Breaking news. The news. Today I'm bringing you the local news.
Hello, this is BBC News. Okay, BBC News.
Live reporting the news. 7 o'clock news.
There's lasers coming from a different planet.
There's a person dancing out the window. It's doing the shimmy shimmy. We have a very special guest. I'm very lucky today. We have, drum roll please, not a pop star, not a rock star, Miss Petunia.
There's been a plane crash in between Tokyo and Japan. There have been a couple of survivors, but not many people could survive the massive impact of that tornado.
Don't panic, just go with the flow. Introducing the Queen, Alicia. There are zombies outside, now stay inside. I repeat, stay inside.
Sofa, because it makes me go to bed.
Listen, I'm going to find us a seat, yeah?
No, sit down. Anyone can sit on it.
Put the pigeon on. Down.
So we're outside right now. My sister is next to some orange chairs.
Hello. 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 Hello.
There are zombies outside, now stay inside. I repeat, stay inside.
and an old grandma.
Zombie's gonna get you. The zombie hand is here to get Maisie.
I'm a bird in a sky. I'm about to die because I fell out of a tree and my eggs fell and they all died. There was a lot of blood and I was crying my big butt out. I'm a bird that likes to die. I have 6,000 lives, but never mind.
Hey, first guys, you should see Ben. Let me go. It's me on the TV. And there is a massive dude on the TV. It's me on the TV.
No, you need to face forward.
It's raining.
Just going to get me tomorrow. Make sure you bring me BBC News this morning. And it's raining. Please don't go outside. And then this guy comes on. He's throwing him off. This side is trees and mountains. This way is a mountain. Side is wood. This now is a mountain. Please the mountain go.
Right now, I'm running because my friends just all died. Alone in the sun.
Zombie hand is here to get Maisie. The zombie hand has come for Maisie. Got sheep there. What's better than Wrecsam? Nothing.
It's raining.
I'm just going to get me very cold. Make sure you bring BBC News in the morning. And it is raining and raining and they're going, please don't go outside. And then this guy comes up. He's throwing him off. There's a person dancing out the window. He's doing the shimmy shimmy. We have very special guests. I'm very lucky today. We have one girl, please. Not a pop star, not a rock star, and an old grandma. Yeah.
Zombie hand is here to get Maisie. The zombie hand has come for Maisie.
recall Flynn wearing a lovely bow hat with a mermaid dress.
I was currently a grandma, and there's another grandma, and my partner's in crime really, so that's what I want to say. Bye! I also mean hwyr fawr.